Hello everyone, my name is Love Kumar. I am the student of Computer System Engineering Department at Sakraibay University. Today I am going to present my project of computer networking. Let's begin. My project name is Voice over IP Telephony Networking Project using Cisco Packet Tracer for the enterprise networking. In this project, I conduct the using the Cisco Packet Tracer aim to meet the scalability and availability requirement of newly acquired the branch of a company named as Turtle Consultancy. In this VoIP technology communication by enabling the voice communication over IP based. This change simplify increase the compatibility of the business environment while reducing the cost. For implementing this project, I required some requirements as the network architecture, the operations of the four departments: finance department, HR department, sales and ICT department. For each department occupied 10 computers and 10 phones connected by the Cisco 2960 switches and managed by the VLAN segmentations, and some design including the telephone services, DHCP for dynamic IP address, and the intervalence and OSPF for the dynamic routing. That all emphasize the importance of voice over IP in enterprise networking. In the literature review, we have some key points that I have to define as such: VLAN essential for the separating the voice and the data traffic for the better network management, and a packet tracer, a tool for simulating and testing the network configurations, and OSPF, a robust dynamic routing protocol to ensure the efficient networking performance. In the methodology, in the third methodology, I defines the how project is developed in step by step. In the first, the architecture and designs in network. In the architecture, in this way I emphasize the three things: scalability, availability and the security. I use the IP address for the voice over VoIP configurations. In the IP address, we assign the IP address for each department: finance, HR, sales and ICT accordingly. These IP only for the PCs, and these are the IPs for the phones according their departments, and these IPs for use for the communication between the routing. And now third, the configuring VLAN. By VLAN we divide the network into the segment to improve the security and traffic. And the fourth, inter VLAN routing and the router configurations. And the fifth, the setting up the DHCP. The installing the DHCP server automate the IP address distribution. And the sixth, dial pairing and voice over IP configuration, in which he assigned the number to each telephone. In the seven, I use the SSH based secure remote access. SSH based secure remote access safe to provide the safe network administration. Network administrator can safely log in into the router to configure and troubleshooting using the SSH secure access feature. Now in the end, the validation and testing, then monitoring and performance optimization. Now let's move towards the actual design of in the packet tracer of the project. Here is the actual designing of the my project. There is a voice over IP telephony networking. In this there is ICT department, sales department, and there is the finance department and HR department. Here you can see that each department have the one printer and 10 PCs and 10 telephones that connected with each other. Now move to the actual functionality of this project. So now I am going to make a call from the finance department to HR department. Finance department to HR department. First I insert a random number. which I haven't assigned. It show the number is unknown number. Now I drop the call and call 205 to HR department. Now it's ringing out. Move toward the HR department. Here is the 205 from the 105. Now call is connected. Now I want to make the call on same number 205 to ensure that either it show the line is busy or not. So here is the line is busy. It means that our project work properly. So here is my overall project demonstration that emphasize the IP based communication or voice over IP based communication. So in the end, the conclusion, move toward the conclusion that fully meets our the communication need of the company, meeting the reliability and scalability requirement using the Cisco packages. This is my